Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite for the page you manage. This gives you the scheduled post view. Once there, switch to the Content or Planner tab to see only scheduled items. Make sure you're on the right page and have admin/editor rights because only those roles can edit schedules. Select the scheduled post you want to change so it loads in the editor pane. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup to editing. Once the composer opens, make direct changes to captions, links, images, or attached video. You're editing content and reach in one place. If you need to change audience targeting or crossbow settings, expand the advanced options and update location, age, or demographic filters. Save changes progressively so you don't lose edits. Creator Studio autosaves, but confirm by checking the preview. Make sure media files meet Facebook specs. Because oversized, now change the scheduled date and time in the scheduling controls and click Save or Schedule to confirm. Once done, verify the post appears at the new slot in the Planner or Calendar view. This ensures it will publish when expected. If you need to publish immediately, choose Publish Now instead. If something goes wrong, such as save failing, make sure you still have admin/editor rights, compress any large media, and retry on a stable network as the top troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.